bisector of the angle between two lines. Okay, since it says two lines, let's say L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0. L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 equal to 0. Okay. Now angle bisector of the angle. Okay. So which means, let's say we have two lines. Right. Now for it to have a bisector, that means there has to be an intersection point. Right. So let's say this is the intersection. Now bisector, now there can be two bisectors, right? One is okay and the other is okay. So what we need is the equation of the bisectors, right? And since there are two bisectors, that means most probably it will be some kind of a plus or minus kind of thing. Okay, so let's say this is B1, B2. Okay. Now, how do we figure out the equation? Let's take a point, right? Either on B1 or B2. So, a point x comma y be a point on the bisectors. Now, let's say this is the point. If this is the point, then you will notice if we take the perpendicular distance from the lines from L1 and L2 to this bisector, this distance will be equal. Yes, and that we already know. So therefore, magnitude of A1x plus B1y plus C1 by square root of A1 square plus B1 square is equal to A2x plus B2y plus C2 by square root of A2 square plus B2 square. Okay. Now if we remove these magnitudes, what will happen? A1x plus B1y plus C1 by square root of A square plus B square would be equal to plus or minus A2x plus B2y plus C2 by square root of this is A1 square, B1 square, A2 square plus B2 square. Points to remember. If C1 and C2 are both positive or both negative, then positive gives the bisector of the angle containing the origin. Or a better way of looking at it is the bisector of the acute angle. Now the minus gives the bisector of the other angle not containing the origin. Or a better way of looking at it is the bisector of the obtuse angle. Okay, another important point. The two bisectors will always be perpendicular to each other. So it doesn't matter. Look at it like this. These are the two lines. If I do this, if I do this, so do you notice the angle between the bisectors? Or let's say, all right, let's take perpendicular lines. Then if we do this and do this, this will always be perpendicular. So try out with some such bisectors and you will realize that they are always perpendicular. And if C1 and C2 are of opposite signs, change one of them. Now how do you do that? By multiplying the equation by -1. So that is the angle between the equation of the bisectors between two lines. Bye for now.